It's the Fanhome Build the Enterprise D Magazine 25 Part Kit 95. Hi guys, Ralph here. Up to magazine 25 now, out of 31. Anybody actually want to see all of these, the PDFs for these? I have them on my Discord channel. They're also on Facebook as well, on one of the Fanhome Enterprise D model kit fan pages. It shows you everything that we need to be looking out for on this, including with my last video. I went and did the modifications on the electrics to make this all fully powered and easily disconnectable. You want to do that yourself? It invalidates whatever warranty is never available for these, so it doesn't matter. So first trip with this one, with this first issue, like we always do. Ooh, you can tell this is a Fanhome one. What got me a little bit on this is 25 was fine. 27 was meant to be the first one with a Fanhome because there is already art around, and I don't see why not Fanhome's reprinted these. So yeah, it's their baby now anyway. But the pages, yeah, the front cover's a little bit thinner, but hey ho, that's right. Tells you what's in the magazine. Part kits for 1-2, there's a big piece there. 97, 98. Yeah, okay, more panels. So it looks like we're working on, yeah, panels. This is going to be repetitive for this one. More on that bottom section. Secondary hull, more panel. This will bring things round to the same as the opposite side. And to be honest, for the next issue, it's going to be quite exciting. You've got the inner light synopsis, 4 pages of that. Where are we? Times Arrow, which is a very, very good episode. With Mark Elmo as well, playing, oh, I forgot what you call him now. Yeah, he wasn't, I don't think it was just a gambler or something. The 4 pages on that. That's series 6 of Next Generation. Times Arrow again, because that was series 6. Realm of Fear. Bartley gets terrified of aliens inside the wormhole, inside the weird. Inside the transporter buffer, and then Troy goes old. Ta-da! So we'll be using this as reference as always. Pocket 95, sorry, 25 is the magazine. Right, we have some lifeboats, blocker, some more blockers, and a phaser bank. More windows, larger windows than the smaller what are on there. Even though there's small windows on that. We have small on here, yes, no, yes. We have small clear ones on here and larger black ones. Another metal part there. So this will probably be made, I'm not sure if it will go on, because the second piece has to go on. So this might be just making that part up and then updating the other part that we've already got for the secondary hull, which is right under here. So, one sec, I'll debag and we'll get on with this. Right, off we go. So let's have a look. 98.95 looks like, yeah, easy. So let's start off with this panel here. And I want 3 lifeboats, which we've got plenty of. I'm actually going to be, if I remember next time, I'm going to forget to take things off the sprues because I have got far too many. Missed that hair completely, didn't I? So 3, for me, it doesn't matter which way around they go. For you, yes, make sure they're all lined up properly because I'm doing the Mike Lane mods. Thank you very much for Mike Lane for sending me the lifeboats. Now I need 4 of those smaller right-angled ones. So I want 2 dark, 2 light. So I have them over here already. At least I hope they are, otherwise I've just messed up. And put into place. I think the longer section goes to towards where I am at the moment. I need to just double check this, to be honest, because I might have got the wrong windows. No, they're right. And that's definitely the wrong place. So like I've said before, I'm going to do this to the magazine, so the windows are all going to be in the right place. Where's the black one gone? There it is. So if you look carefully, there's a tiny bit more extra on this side here. That comes to the bit towards me. Don't need tweezers. It's probably best to try and pick up and move the piece around, trying the part in. There we go. That's that way. I mean, you can't just dump me like that. Yeah, Cool. So we have light blocking, which is BL. So that's that one there, but not that way around, that way around. We have the L, which is that way around. And then we have another L. A little L, which is quite jumpy roundy. So they go in there, there and there. And I also need to get the phaser bank on as well, but I need 4 AM screws and 2 DP screws. This is standard, just building as we've been doing from the start. So what I'm gonna do with that, there's a big hole on that side, a small hole on there. That goes over the top. It always gets me how there's only one on this, because we have done these parts before. And the light blocker, the big hole is on top, which is weird. Okay, and it kind of wedges underneath that piece of plastic there, which it doesn't. So, and then this will go underneath, and 2 screws hold it in place. I'll do that, quick cut, and then we're back. So there we have the panel, which goes right in there, all done. As you can see, the lifeboats are not properly aligned. I think that one is actually correct. So if you're going to do yourself and you're not doing the Might Layer mods, just turn those around and done. So nice and secure in place. As I always, put the screws in, just make sure they're in enough, and then leave them for a second, because friction will warm the metal up. This metal is crap. But if you just follow simple rules, just like I've done, I'll screw that one in, then screw that one in, then that, and then gone back to this one, because the thread will have cooled down a little bit. So it makes it so you're not going to re-thread everything. And then 2 more screws underneath there for the phaser bank. So, looks like we're fitting it next issue. So I need to grab that out. And this is such a mess anyway. Fit an escape pod. Yep, yes, thanks. Okay, so escape pod goes into there. See, it shows you these here, but you've used 2 sets of lights there to go that way. And no, you're never going to be able to put that right way around. So put that in there. Again, for me, it doesn't matter so much which way around. I put the escape hatches. It would probably be that way anyway. So just for OCD's sake, let's turn you around. Yeah. So it fits nicely in there. You can definitely tell it doesn't fit nicely in there. Why does it fit nicely before but it doesn't now? Oh, there you go. Yeah, it doesn't fit nicely in there. Okay, it's a bit weird. So, as before, I do think this has been made by multiple factories, and it's kind of awkward, but not. Right, do we need this? Yes, I was hoping, and I don't know why we're splitting these up, is the one from the centre. Oh, no, so we do need this. Right, so that one is ignored, completely ignored. This one goes on the left side here for the panel here. So that will go underneath there, and this one, the yellow one, according to instructions, and I assume that this one will go over this part here anyway. They're always such a pain in the arse. And that wants to be screwed in there. As simple as that. But what I usually do is try and put all 4 screws in first, but not really pushing down on them, just to sort of like they're nipped in a little bit, and then try and thread in the lights anyway. But once this is done a bit further, I think it might be in the next issue, it does look an absolute nightmare of these lights. When you put this in, because you've already got the phaser bank on the actual underneath the section of the star drive section, it looks awkward, but I think it's kind of moving lights so they twist and around and up and down and whatever. Then you can fit this into place on the skeleton part. But I'll put the screws in here and we'll be to get this part done. So that reflective panel is in. Basically what I said we'll do is put 4 screws in, loosen a little bit, and then put that underneath and tighten in place. Make sure you get around this hole same as that side, otherwise you'll be screwing straight through. I don't see why you couldn't put one in the side, but this is what they want you to do, and we'll just follow these sort of parts to the letter. Beep screw and then complete stage 95. Done. So that's pretty easy, that part. That's quite good. So we've managed to make a panel, we've managed to continue with the phaser bank, is it lateral phaser bank? Yeah, cool. So, done. Come back for 96. and I will see what we can do with this. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye for now.